Hi everyone, meet Ellie. She wants to buy on Amazon, but does not know how to place an order. Follow our 4-step easy guide. Let's get started. Step 1. Click and open web browser as shown. Some of the popular web browser options include Google Chrome, Safari, Mozilla Firefox, and Internet Explorer. Please select any one that is available. Next, type www.amazon.com in your web browser. Hover over Sign In and select Sign In. Step 2. Please enter your email address or mobile phone number that you used to register for your Amazon account, and select Continue. Next, enter password and select Sign In. In case you don't have an account, click on Create your Amazon account. You can follow our step-by-step guide episode 2 on how to create an Amazon account for assistance. Step 3. Once you sign in, select your delivery address, where you'd like your items to be shipped. Next, search for the desired product that you wish to shop by directly typing it. Ellie wants to buy a phone charger, so she will type phone charger in the search bar. Next, from the list, browse the product of your choice. You can also select from a variety of color options, read more about the item, compare it with similar items, and view prices offered by other sellers on Amazon for that product. Once you're ready to purchase, click on Add to Cart. Step 4. Select Proceed to Checkout. You can review your order here, such as the shipping address, payment method, billing address, and delivery options to ensure it is correct. You can also see the order total. That is the amount that would be charged to you for all the items in your cart at the time of checkout. In case there is a currency conversion applied to the order, it will be displayed below. Once you're ready, click on Place Your Order. Congratulations! You have successfully placed an order on Amazon. Ellie can now conveniently buy items from Amazon. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more and don't forget to like and subscribe. This video is presented by the Boomerem, a non-profit organization that aims to bridge the global digital divide.